Welcome back, my dear students. In this video I explain about another cell organelle, so that is ribosomes. Okay, so ribosomes are the protein factories, are called as the protein factories. Why? Because they concerned in the synthesis of proteins, and these ribosomes are also called as the engines of the cell. Okay, because protein is necessary for the cell. Okay, so that's why the protein is synthesis in the ribosomes. So that's why they are called as the protein factories and engines of the cell. Okay, like in plant cell, so generally the ribosomes are discovered by Robinson and Brown. Okay, in animal cell it was discovered by Pellet. That's why the ribosomes are called as the Pellet granules. Okay, here the ribosomes generally contains rRNA and protein. Okay, so that's why they are called as ribonucleoprotein particles, RNP. Okay, right. So this is the some introduction or the history of the ribosomes. So now we know the occurrence of the ribosomes. So occurrence of the ribosomes. So then the presence of it. So it present in all types of cells. That means so present. That means present in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So present in prokaryotes and eukaryote cells. Okay, right. In prokaryotes, so generally these ribosomes which are present in prokaryotes, they are membrane-less ribosomes. Okay, so membrane-bound less ribosomes are present in prokaryotes. So membrane-less. So membrane-less ribosomes are present in prokaryotes. Okay, right. Here these ribosomes present in in the cytoplasm. Okay, so generally the ribosomes are scattered in the cytoplasm because endoplasmic reticulum is absent. Okay, right. Here in eukaryotes, so generally these membrane-bound ribosomes only present. They are present. Some of the ribosomes are present on the endoplasmic reticulum. So some of the ribosomes. So some ribosomes. So present attached on the endoplasmic reticulum. Some of the ribosomes are attached on the endoplasmic reticulum, and remaining some are present in the cytoplasm. Like these two ways, the ribosomes are present in the eukaryotes. Some are present on the endoplasmic reticulum, some are scattered in the cytoplasm. Okay, right. But here in eukaryotes, generally the ribosomes are also present in another cell organelles such as mitochondria and chloroplast. So ribosomes present. Okay, so ribosomes present in mitochondria and chloroplast. Okay, so that's why the ribosomes are called as the cell organelle within the cell organelle. That means ribosomes is one of the cell organelle. It will be present in another cell organelle, that is mitochondria and chloroplast. That's why it's called as the cell organelle within cell organelle. Okay, so this is about the presence or occurrence of the ribosomes. Okay, right. So now we know the number of the ribosomes. Okay, so now we know the number of the ribosomes. Okay, so number of the ribosomes. So here, so generally the number and the concentration of the ribosomes is present which cells have content of the RNA. Which cells have the content of the RNA. Okay, in that cells generally ribosomes are present more in number. Okay, such cells So more number of ribosomes present in yeast cells, okay, yeast cells, and lymphocytes. So lymphocytes, okay. Next here embryonic nerve cells, okay, embryonic nerve cells, and cancerous cells, okay. So cancer cells, like these cells, the number of ribosomes are more, okay, right. So this is the about number of the ribosomes, okay. In next video we know the types of the ribosomes.